Welcome to 29W139 Child Street, a beautiful rental home available for you. Come inside and see the wonderful great room as you enter, complete with a large living room, beautiful fireplace, extends all the way out to where the windows are coming in, letting all of the light in. It leads to the dining room. It overlooks this amazing, huge wraparound porch across the property. And the dining room leads to this big, comfortable kitchen. Everything is new in this place. It's been gutted to the studs and rebuilt. You can see the beautiful new countertops and cabinets and appliances, the stove with extra burners, the dishwasher, extra large refrigerator, lots of cabinet space, and there is a half bath downstairs with a nice new vanity, brushed nickel fixtures on everything, and the flooring is all actual hardwood, brand new, beautiful hardwood on the floors throughout the first level and going up the stairs and on the banister to the second floor where we have comfy new carpeting. The second floor has 3 bedrooms and a loft. The master bedroom has these great cathedral ceilings with these amazing windows looking out onto the grounds. 2 acres of gorgeous forest property. The master bedroom has a master bath with a beautiful walk-in shower and a double sink. The master closet has washer and dryer available for you, new, high efficiency. And the master bedroom leads to the loft, a cozy space to set up an office and look out on nature while you do your work. There are 2 additional bedrooms. You've got a bedroom here. Again, lots of light and windows, and of course, nice closets in each of these bedrooms. All new carpeting and cathedral ceilings in every bedroom. Of course, ceiling fans and everything that you would want for comfort in the living space. The upstairs bathroom has a tub and shower. All the tile, of course, is new. Everything in the home is new. The double sink and vanity in place, and the stairs back down leading to the first floor can take us to the basement. There is a full basement. The basement is unfinished and ready for your personal touches. A place to escape. Maybe a man cave or a she cave. You've got your necessary utilities down here, the water pump and the water softener and the hot water heater. There's a laundry utility sink and plenty of space in the basement. Of course, a sump pump to make sure everything stays clean and dry. You've got electricity down here and plenty of room for storage or setting up a nice, comfy area. And then there is a massive mudroom where you can store your coats and shoes or whatever you need to. And this leads to the outside, and you can see the gazebo where you can relax outside on this beautiful piece of property. Here's the central air conditioner, and wait until you see this amazing property. The grounds are your own private oasis, a forest in the middle of the suburbs. Amazing, 2 acres. You've got places to sit, benches, places for the kids to play. You've got a playground area, a trampoline. This is yours if you want to use it, but there's so much more. This property is all yours for this rental. You've got your own private sanctuary to enjoy nature. You've got so many trees and bushes and open land. 2 acres of property comes with this amazing rental, and it's all available for you. Simply contact Happy Home Solutions. You can ask for Diane or Reva or Liz or Adam, and we will help you get into this beautiful property. You can call or text us at 708-689-9876. Imagine yourself enjoying all of the beauty nature has to offer.